Welcome to CakeBot's Token Scanner tutorial. The Token Scanner is a feature built into CakeBot that allows you to retrieve an automated audit of any token in seconds. To get started, navigate to the Token Scanner menu. Click the Enter Token Address button and then paste in the token address that you want to audit. Within a few seconds, the details of the audit will be displayed to you. For this example, I'm using a random trending token from Dextols. The audit displays useful information about the token, details of the audit as well as the top 10 holders. Token scanner data is provided by GoPlusLabs.io. Use of this automated token scanner is intended to assist in the preliminary analysis of smart contracts. While we strive to provide accurate and reliable results, we cannot guarantee the completeness, accuracy, or validity of the information generated. Users should not solely rely on the results from this scanner when making decisions related to contract interactions or investments. Comprehensive manual reviews and due diligence are essential before any interaction with or investment in tokens. That concludes our walkthrough on CakeBot's Token Scanner feature. Eager to learn more? Stay with us as we delve deeper into CakeBot's array of features in upcoming videos. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments, questions, or feedback below.